Morning, students of grade 7 Cambridge and matriculation stream. This is Miss Meher Munir. Hope you all are doing really good. Today we are starting our content number 7, that is the future time. We only in the past and the present tense in English language are called tenses because under them the verbs take specific forms. The future is not a tense because we take the help of an auxiliary in future sentences. Therefore, we never say future tense, we always say it like future time. We had already drunk these two juices, the present and the past juice, and now we are going to have a tasty future juice, which is the last glass of juice. Simple future is a verb tense that is used to talk about the things that haven't happened yet. We use the simple future to talk about an action or condition that will begin and end in the future time. What is future continuous tense? The future continuous tense, sometimes also known as the future progressive tense, is a verb tense that indicates something will occur in the future and continue for an expected length of time. What is future perfect tense? The future perfect is a verb form or construction used to describe an event that is expected or planned to happen before a time of reference in the future. It is expected to happen in the future. Future perfect continuous. The future perfect continuous, also sometimes called the future perfect progressive, is a verb tense that describes action that will continue up until a point in the future. Sentences denoting their tense. Simple future: we will meet the principal later today. I am describing an action that will happen in the future. We all will meet the principal later today. Future continuous: we will be reaching your place in an hour. This is a continuous action that will be happening in the future, so I used future continuous tense. Future perfect: by morning all the water will have leaked out of the tank. This is a planned happening, or this is an possible outcome that it will happen. All the water will have leaked out of the tank by morning. Future perfect continuous: by the end of the week he will have been teaching for 2 months. This is again an assumption or a planned happening that we are confirmed will happen in the future. By the end of the week he will have been teaching for 2 months. Here are some examples of future forms on your screen. She will write the email after lunch. This is simple future tense because they are saying that she will write the email in the future time. He will be writing a book. This is a continuous future action. He will be writing a book. So this sentence is in future continuous tense. They will have been living in that house for 10 years. This is a future event that will be completed in the future time. So we are telling that they will have been living in that house for 10 years. This is the future time and this sentence is in future perfect continuous. They will have lived in 10 states once they moved to New York. They are now showing an action that will be completed before or by a specific time in the future. So this is in future perfect tense. Jane will be driving to work. This is again future continuous, future continuous tense because it is a continuous action that Jane will be driving. Jane will continue to drive in the future. I will write a book. This is again a simple future tense because I'm telling something that I am going to do in the future time. The future tense is now completed and I hope that we were able to learn what is the future tense. We will discuss all your queries in the upcoming Google meetings. Till then, thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.